Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I will give you detailed information about SERP Stat free trial. SERP Stat is one of the best, effective, and affordable SEO tools that bloggers can use to improve their website rankings. You can get completely free account with limited access, or you can get free trial of full featured account for 7 days. 25% discount coupon is also available. Watch the video till the end.
Alright, so let's start with the video. First of all, I'll give you the link to my website, that is freetrialplans.com, and on this website you will get all the information about the free trials that you can use for different search engine optimization tools or any other tools, and you will get the information about SERP Stat free trial on this website also. The link is in the description box. Now on this website you will see the link to open the free account. Click on this link. Now we are going to create a completely free account with limited access to all the features. So click on the sign up button here. It will ask you to join using the Google, or you can sign up using Facebook, or you can simply enter your email address and sign up to the process. So let me start with the email address. Okay, now I'm going to use a password also. Okay, then the phone number is not compulsory, it's optional. Click on I agree and click on create account. So it's going to create. Now it says that the confirmation email is sent. So go to your email account, check for the confirmation, click on the link. The confirmation link is there, click on it, and it's going to open an account for us. Okay, now it will ask you to enter the domain that you want to use as a project. So enter the domain of your website. Let me try one of my website. Project name, enter the project name also. Project group, you can leave it as it is and click on continue. Now it's going to ask for the phone number again. You can skip this one. Okay, so I have added my website as a project. Now you can see you have got the dashboard here, and you can see the features that you can use using the free account. Now let's try this keyword search. Click on overview, enter any keyword. Okay, now it says volume is 320, competition is very less, and these are the keyword suggestions that you can use, and this is how it's going to look. Now let's try this one in the actual run. Same keyword I'm going to use and see the result here. We are searching for Filmora free trial keyword. The first one is Filmora website. This one is Filmora. Now this is one of my website, Filmora free trial. Now here under this one also you will see my website is there also listed. Let's try this one. So it's going to my website. So this is how my website is ranking for this particular keyword. Let's go to website analysis and go to domain analysis overview. You need to enter the domain. It's going to get some analytics about this domain. It's showing organic keywords that this website is ranking for. This is how it's going to work. Now top pages, competitors in Google search. Okay, so it has already gone through the website details and it's showing me some results here. Backlink analysis, backlink dashboard. It's going to look for the backlinks for this particular domain. See, this is one of the new domain. I am not working much on this website. Just started working on this website recently. Okay, so this is how you can create a free account with the SERP Stat, and you can work on your SEO goals. Now this free plan has some limitations. It will not show you all the details, or it will not give you the complete analysis. So you can go for the free trial, 7 days free trial of this particular tool with access to all the features of this website. So how you can do this, you can click on your icon here, go to my account. Now here you will see activate trial, click on it. Now here you will need to enter a promo code. You will find a promo code on my website. The link is in the description box. You can enter the promo code and activate, and it will give you access to 7 days free trial of the fully featured SARP Stat account. Now how you can get almost 25% discount on annual plan. So you can go to pricing. Now these are different plans offered by SARP Stat. If you are new to SEO and if you have 1 or 2 blogs that you are looking for, then I'll suggest you to go for the light plan. Now click on this upgrade subscription. Okay, if you go with annual plan, you will automatically get 20% discount. If you enter promo code here, you will get additional 5% discount, so that will be a total 25% discount, and current price for a month is $69. If you pay annually, it will cost you around $52 per month. Now let's compare the pricing of SARP Stat with Ahrefs and SEMrush. So you can see this plan is starting with $69, Ahrefs plan starting with $99, and the SEMrush plan is starting with $119.95 per month. Now all the 3 tools are good, so you can compare the pricing of these 3 tools, and if you like, you can go with the SARP Stat tool. But I'll suggest you to go with the free trial of all the 3 plans. Not only SARP Stat, you can try Ahrefs free trial also, and you can try the SEMrush free trial also. You can go to my website here, and you can go to this tab, SEO tab, and you will see all the 3 plans are listed here. You can try Ahrefs free trial, you can go with SEMrush free trial. Try all of them and see which one is good for you. They will give you 7 days free trial. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.